I just did all of that without pressing the record button. Okay, so recap. I turned this inside out. I found the middle seam. I put it in the middle of my body. And then I decided that this is the back and this is the front. The front has a bit of a cowl neck to it. And I just clipped where I thought they felt good. Okay. Sleeves might have to have a little bit of a seam to them, just so that the boobage is not escape in the middle of my classroom. No bueno. Great way to lose your job. And I'm going to pull it over and turn it. Hopefully turn it. Now, I still have my middle. I know it's turned inside out. I did lose my clip, but it's still on the side that I liked. Now, you could measure from the back middle, however many it is, but I also wanted that cowl neck so that I had a little bit more space to put my shoulders in. And because my plan is to make it a jumper. That is the plan. So I might do that just to, if it is a cowl neck, that means that this seam isn't going to be in the middle of your arm anymore. It's going to get moved. And honestly, it's still going to be under-esque your arm. So it's fine. I'm repurposing here, people. It's okay. I'm going to just fold this in half and make sure it is in half. It's pretty close. I'm a little off. I'm going to make it wider, I think, just because I'm scared about fitting my arm and my body, my shoulders through it. And then I have that cowl